Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, we're from Group 13.
Let us introduce ourselves.
My name is Muhammad Reza Ulianda.
My name is Izzalut Fatul Fatana.
Hi guys. My name is Cantika Arindi Fajri. My name is Shifa Naila Hasana. My name is Dea Afariza. My name is Zakiatul Rahimi. Today we're going to make some videos about herbal medicine. Happy watching! Hi Reza, how are you?
Hi.
What's wrong with you? Do you have such a hoarse voice? Do you have a sore throat?
I'm jogging right now. My throat is itchy too.
Try drinking herbal medicine which is only made from ginger and brown sugar. Wait a minute, let us make it first. Let's go.
Okay guys, first of all, prepare the necessary ingredients. Here's we got ginger, brown sugar, meat, strainer, pan, and 100 milliliter water. Peel the ginger using a knife. Iya kan?
Iya. Nanti
Slice the brown sugar with a knife.
matiin lah dulu, nanti mendidih dari dia.
Lanjut.
Udah.
Put the ginger into the pan with 100 milliliter of water. Ini hari ini dimasukin tas.
Iya.
Dimasukin tas ya.
Stir for a while, then add the brown sugar into the pan. Sekarang udah. Ini aduknya nanti. Then stir until boiling. Next, strain in the boiling water using a strainer. Next, strain the boiled water using a strainer.
Drink it.
Ada satu lagi ya.
Ya itu.
Let's stir for a moment until it becomes warm enough to drink.
The anti-inflammatory content in ginger makes the respiratory tract membrane more relaxed. Ginger also contains a lot for vitamin C and magnesium. This content helps the body strengthen the immune system, especially in weather conditions such as ginger also functions as an antioxidant in the body. In addition to cooking spices, ginger is also widely used for medicine.
Well, this is herbal tea.
This can treat your cough and make it feel better.
Thank you si Pak Anda ya. Now my throat feel better.
You're welcome. Thank you for watching.
Goodbye!
Itu dah. Itu dah.
Perempat aja mukamu.
Ya.
Nah.
What's wrong with you? Do you have such a
Oh my god. Hi Reza.
Cie 2 3. Hai.
have